Hello yet again, CAD users, and welcome back to another episode of Did You Know? Did you know that the WorkPlane can actually be removed from the screen altogether? You can, if you don't like the idea of having this WorkPlane inside your drawing or getting in the way of the view, it just annoys you, hold your cursor over one of the lines of the WorkPlane and double click and switch this option off to display WorkPlanes and select OK. Now once the WorkPlane has gone, then the only way to bring it back is to choose the WorkPlane icon and then choose this one, which is to select a WorkPlane, okay, and then choose to display the WorkPlane and select OK. And that brings it back. I mean, the alternative, of course, is simply to hold down the middle button of your mouse and just drag the whole drawing and the WorkPlane away from the scene. And there it is, it's gone. But of course, that's not really gone. It's going to be there all the time and potentially will get in the way. And if you don't use it that often, and if you don't really care about where 0, 0 is, which is right there, then it is quite acceptable to double click, switch it off, and select OK.